sign a waiver. What's wrong?
I gotta get on the outside.
Okay.
Just because.
Let me get out then.
Yeah.
Oh, Scott's gotta be difficult.
Hey.
So it's basically saying that we know that there's gonna be jet blasts and that it could potentially be dangerous.
When somebody has died doing this, you probably should sign a waiver.
Once on the bus, it's a 30-minute drive to the beach. We had this really awesome tour guide and she was able to give us the history of the island and we were able to see some of their monuments. Once you get to the beach, be prepared for it to be really crowded. There are some chairs that you can purchase when you're at the beach, but for the majority of the time, you're going to be standing around. Everybody's going to be trying to take that same picture, but if you are super, super patient, you'll get the one you want.
Lady on the bus actually told us that there's people around here that will braid your hair, and if you want your pubes braid, she says she's seen it all and they'll do that too. Quite interesting.
If you do decide to venture in the water, just know that the current is extremely, extremely strong and it does drop off really fast. I was super surprised how extensive the lunch menu was, but unfortunately it was so hot that we just got some chicken wings instead of having a full-on lunch.
I dipped it in the sauce. What if it's like super hot sauce? It's really hot sauce. Don't dip it in the hot. Don't dip it in the hot sauce. I might have to dip it in the blue cheese, and I'm not a blue cheese girl.
This is the dangerous part when the big jets are taking off, and unfortunately we were eating, but at the same time after watching this I was kind of glad that I didn't do this because of course I would have ran and tried it anyways. But when that plane took off, people were flying back. That one guy's like running back. Like it was way more intense than I think anybody prepares for. We waited anxiously for one more huge plane to come in and it did not disappoint.